So today I am going to show you how to make a quick and easy ranch flavored hummus. And this recipe is way healthier than ranch dressing is. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna need is a can of chickpeas. We're gonna drain this can of chickpeas, and we're not gonna drain it over the sink. So drain it over top of a bowl of some kind. So just drain them off and then toss them in your food processor. Now, the next thing I'm gonna add is some oil and some apple cider vinegar. I have them both in this little bowl. And so those are gonna go right in our food processor. And then we have some onion powder. We're gonna add that to the food processor. Next comes some garlic. And lastly, some dill. All right. And now we're going to get the food processor started. It's gonna be loud, so I'm not going to be able to talk while we're doing it. But with hummus, the longer you run the food processor, the smoother it's going to be. So a good amount of time to run your food processor is about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm gonna start the food processor, and as it runs, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of the chickpea liquid. So hopefully you can see this. Looks like the lighting is a little bit off, but anyways, I have some carrots here and I'm gonna give it a try. It really does taste like ranch. I can't wait for you guys to try this. I can't wait to hear how you love it and how it goes. So until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and bye.